In this lesson, we're going to talk about factors. So what are factors? Well, factors are numbers that you can multiply together to get a product. Let's take a look at a fairly simple example. Let's start with the numbers 2 and 3. We can multiply 2 times 3 to get an answer of 6. In this example, 2 and 3 are considered factors because they're the numbers that we're multiplying together to get our answer of 6. The answer to a multiplication problem is called the product. So the two numbers that you multiply together are called the factors, and the answer is called the product. Let's take a look at an example of how we can figure out the factors for a particular number. So let's say that we want to find all of the factors of 24. I'm going to start with the most simplest of the factors, which is 1 times 24. I can multiply 1 times 24 and get an answer of 24. So 1 and 24 are factors of 24. I'm then going to move on to my next number 2 and ask myself, can I multiply 2 by a number and get the answer of 24? And the answer is yes. I can multiply 2 times 12 to get an answer of 24. I'm then going to ask myself, what about 3? Can I multiply 3 times a number to get 24? And the answer is yes. And if you're not sure, ask yourself, what is 24 divided by 3? If you get a whole number, then 3 is a factor of 24. So 24 divided by 3 is 8. That means that 3 times 8 is 24. What about 4? What's 24 divided by 4? 6. So 4 times 6 is 24. What about 5? 24 divided by 5. Well, we know that that's not going to give us a whole number. So guess what? 5 is not a factor of 24. So I'm going to erase the 5. Then I'm going to go on to the number 6. Well, of course, 6 is a factor because I've already used it. So once I've already used it, I can stop. And I can say, okay, now I know that the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. So these are the factors of 24. In the next video, we'll talk about common factors.